out on the water today, and I just hooked up my new Humminbird Helix 7, and it's got a really cool feature we got with the navigation feature, and it's got the navigational maps of the lake. Shows us the depth levels so we can stay in the river channel, and it's also memorizes the path that we took, so we can see where this is our third pass through here, and it memorizes the path that we took. And on our new Humminbird feature, we got our fish finder showing a few fish below us there. And we've got the depth, the temperature, a few different screens. We've also got our radar view there.